Hi. Hi. Well, happy Friday. I am here to share with you guys a little bit about blending. It's gonna be very short video, like 30 minutes. Let's see. But I am going to do that and turn on my camera in a little bit. Hi. I am going to use a watercolor paper. I have a piece. Hola, Linda. I have a little piece from the other day, and I'm gonna use the Karin Markers because I have them here outside. So I have the quote that I wanna do is from the challenge. Hey, Leaf and leather challenge, and it said, "Am an aquaholic." Yes, I am. How are you? So let's do it. Let's do a little bit the blending. The last time that I asked what do you guys want me to show you, and I received this blending, so I am going to do that. So let's do it. I'm gonna turn my camera to the other side. I hope everything going well, and I'm making a little space here. Let me check. Okay, almost ready. So because I have my Karin markers outside here, I am going to use them right now. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay, and use like let's see, like this, some blues, and I think I'm gonna use this one. Maybe, I don't know if it's here, these three colors here. I have the royal blue 045, and maybe let's do 207. Which one is that? 621. I'm gonna use the 621 too. And you know what, let's do just two colors, so like that. 621, and I'm going to take from here so you can guys know which colors I'm. So here, okay, these are the two colors that I am going to use, and they are here. So let's take out of this, and let me put my colors here. And this is the watercolor paper. Holy. Okay, here, aquaholic. So the other letter, M and aquaholic, I'm gonna write here on the top. Perfect. When I start blending colors, in this case we have just two color blending with the light color first. I think I have some I'm sorry, issue with the connection, but okay. And I'm gonna start from the top with the light color to the bottom. So I am going to put, you can try to see like a half here, right? So I am going to add the light color on the top and the dark color on the bottom. And if you want, you can use a water brush like this one to mix the colors out. So light from the top, okay, very quickly. I don't want to you guys get annoying from me here. Dark color, I am going here to mix them a little bit with the watercolor, water brush, I'm sorry. And this is the bottom part, and here let's do this like this, and I'm going to mix a little bit. Yeah, I arrived to the top. So I hope you guys can see it good. And here, okay. In general, I always clean up my brush with water, normal water, like this here. Okay, so I am no take all the color, the dark color on the top. So just mix it a little bit more from here, just to don't have that line where I just arrived. And let's spread the other color here on the bottom. Okay, this is an easy way to do this. So let's do it again with the very